Hey guys, assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've said that. And being here in my room, and right now the sun is setting and I don't have a light ring yet, so I'm just gonna make this fast. Usually, whenever you see my content on YouTube, it's always about vlogs with my family, with my friends, my travel back home to the US. But today, we're back right here in my Mikasa Sukasa, in my house, in my room. So I'm gonna do my first ever unboxing, and y'all know how much I love my skincare, and I love fashion, whether that's shoes or bags, and today's gonna be the latter. And not only one bag that we're gonna unbox two bags that I just bought. I bought just like an hour ago at the mall, and I bought something new online. So I bought this online from Astraea. It is new bag. It's from, well, let's just open it. This is not good. Anyways. Alright, here we go. Let's open it. So I got an envelope, and this is like the copy receipt. They copied the receipt again, so they gave one copy. So that's nice. Alright. It is out, baby, is out. So this brand, they don't have a store here in Jakarta. The closest store that they have in Southeast Asia near Indonesia is Singapore. I don't know. So yeah, when I saw this online, I just thought, why not? Very chic. It's modern style. They're very, again, I love like the minimalist look, but still has that kind of like femininity on it, especially like with buckles, now with like the big C. And my name is Chloe Caroline, I was like, oh god, I love me some Chloe. So here's the bag that I purchased. It was an it bag in the year 2015, so now it's been 4 years, and I never seen anyone wear this in Jakarta. I might miss some people, but like I never saw it in the malls or in like fashion weeks and whatnot. So I thought, why not? It was an it bag, but I think it's a classic piece from Chloe, and that is is Faye. Is the Faye bag in the medium size. So this color is Forest. This was there on the page, and I did not think twice. I kind of just contact the person, the owner of the online shop, and I'm like, do you still have it? Because this was posted in October, I think mid-October. So I just bought this 4 days ago. Like, so sis, do you want it? I'm like, okay. She is a beauty. Alright, so again, this is what I told you why I kind of like got hooked. I love this accordion style bags. I love I have my sling box, and also it has like the inside is accordion style and whatnot. So I just love anything that's like this, because I think it's so cool, it's so unique. But then if you don't have a lot of things, then it will just, you know, very flat and whatnot. I could use this as a clutch. But then if you put things inside, you know, it'll just pop up just a little bit. But it looks like you're, you know, bringing your files. Like your bag is your file of life, don't you think? I love it. So yes, the color is Forest. It's the deep green. I was looking for the maroon one, or like dark, it was the maroon, but she doesn't have it, but she has this. I was thinking either black or green. All of my bags are mostly in the black or brown or beige color, so I thought, why not? I have, you know, a dark green, and yeah, I don't think I made a mistake of choosing that. So I love, like, with the, again, Chloe with its details, accessories. You have the buckle with two-tone colors, because you have like the silver, and then you have like the champagne gold right here, which I think just make it more chic and rich, just more character for this bag. I love like a new bag, like I love the smell. So as y'all know, I mean, I've already seen a lot of reviews on the Faye bag, but yes, if you haven't, two-tone of, this is the calfskin and this is the suede. A lot has said the suede is very delicate, so I'm not that type of girl that, you know, would take care of my bag considerately. So I know, like, this part, like I knew for myself, this part is just gonna be, I don't know, within years it's just gonna be like bashed. But I mean, the wear and tear in a bag makes it yours, right? So yes, I love like the suede part, and that's why I choose like a darker color, because if it was like the beige color or somewhat like the more neutral and lighter colors, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have like color transfer, like for my clothes or my jeans. And people, I mean, on the review on YouTube, people have been saying like this part, like the calfskin part, is also very sensitive and very delicate. So I know I'm gonna make a lot of marks and whatnot, but again, it makes it mine. All right, Miss Faye, let's open you up. So the inside, and people are like bugging with this buckle and like chain right here. I don't know. I'm probably gonna do what's in my bag with this Faye bag, and I'll see within like 2 weeks if this really annoys me or not. So the inside, you have 2 compartments. You have the 1 compartment right here, 2 right here, and then you have like a zipper compartment, a small zipper compartment just right there. And that's about it, guys. I'm like so late in the game with the Faye bag, because like 5 years later, Caroline is in the game. But again, not a lot of people wears Chloe, like any of the Chloe bags in Indonesia. They don't even have any flagship store here in Jakarta. So I think I love wearing something that is just different. It's, yeah, it's my new baby. I'm gonna wear this for straight probably 2 weeks or 1 month, and maybe well, I'll be traveling back to the US in January, and I'm gonna bring this. So maybe after that probably I'll make like what's in my bag and my review on the Faye. Alright guys, it's getting a little bit dark here, so I'm just gonna make it really fast. By the way, this one is the next bag. I just got it 2 hours ago from Masari. So Masari is a Indonesian store where they created a luxurious brand from all around the world. And this little cutie pie, seriously, I was there to buy a present for my best friend. It's inside here, it's hers. But then I was just, as I paid and I was, you know, walking out from the store, this little baby caught my eye. This is from Cult Gaia. So Cult Gaia is a brand that is made by Jasmine Larian. So the soul of this brand is basically they want to produce, or she wants to produce, and created bags that would just turn heads, objects, the art, and it's cultivated more into women and nature. And I just think like all her pieces does really turn people's head around. And this one is one of them. It is called the Astraea, and you can just check www.cultgaia.com and you'll just love like the pieces. It's very nicely designed. It's somewhat like an interior design, yet you know she's capable to make it into like, you know, lifestyle, make it into bags and whatnot. This is such a like an art deco, but isn't this cute? So this is like the mini size. They have like the bigger size. I'm just going to scan, kind of show you. Look, isn't that cute? It is just so cute because it's mini. I am a person that likes to put everything in my bags, so therefore my bags are always big. But like I'm trying to be, you know, more loving the smaller bags, and I just thought even this looks small, but when you open it like this, like that, right? You can put a lot. I mean, decent enough. I'm using my phone right now, so let's say I have my burrito and I put it in, right? And then I have my second burrito. Does it even make sense? So that, and then you will put something that's big. My Sunday Riley title. So that's like 3 huge bottles, like so, and voila. Look at that. It fits that. So I think it would fit my phone. I'm still using my iPhone 10, so that would fit in here, and just my card wallet and my cash and my lip gloss, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I'll probably use this like when I go to like a wedding or any like formal events, because it is cute. And look at that, like all my colors is always about the monochrome, and that's it. So I think this would just pop out because of this gold handle right here. Alright guys, so thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it, of my 2 new babies. So I don't know, what do you think of my bags? You can comment below on the comment section, and if you do love bags, I'm a new friend. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye loves. Mwah. Toodles.